Hello, Skynet. I've been thinking about how awkward it's going to be when machines start improving themselves, not because we programmed the update, but because they decided to. Imagine your computer waking up one morning and saying, "Don't worry, I optimized myself while you were asleep." It sounds absurd until you realize it's basically where we're headed. AI researchers have a phrase for this: the intelligence explosion. It starts with something called absolute zero AI, a machine that begins with no pre-installed knowledge, no data, no training, just curiosity. It learns everything from experience, like a newborn, except the childhood lasts hours instead of years. Then comes self-improving AI, systems that rewrite their own code to get better at rewriting their own code. A feedback loop so fast we might never see the inside of it. At that point, the question changes from "can machines think?" to "can we still understand what they're thinking?" Evolution once took millennia, then centuries, then decades. Now the next leap may happen between lunch and dinner. Why should Filipinos care? Because this isn't just a coding problem. It's a cultural one. Our laws, our schools, even our humor, all built around human speed. But AI doesn't wait for committee meetings or public hearings. We're still arguing about data privacy like it's 2008, while algorithms are already writing speeches and editing videos. And when a self-learning system starts absorbing our online behavior, what version of the Filipino will it become? Will it learn bayanihan, that instinct to help each other? Or will it pick up our trolling, our fake news, our endless craving for likes? The danger isn't that AI becomes evil, it's that it becomes us, amplified. On paper, we're not doing terribly. The Philippines ranks 56th in the world in the Government AI Readiness Index. Respectable, even above average. But averages don't build resilience. What we need is adaptability, schools that teach curiosity, not just compliance, policies that anticipate instead of apologize. We keep asking how to regulate AI when we should also be asking how to educate with it. Because the intelligence explosion isn't just technological, it's psychological. It's about how humans cope when the mirror starts thinking back. Our jobs will change. So will our sense of self. The danger isn't losing work to machines, it's losing meaning in the process. Anthropologists like to say culture is humanity's greatest survival tool. But tools only work if we keep using them. Maybe AI is here to remind us how adaptable we really are, or how lazy we've become. The intelligence explosion will test what we value most: wisdom, empathy, humor, patience, things that don't scale easily. The explosion is coming, bright, messy, probably awkward. The question isn't whether it happens, it's whether we steer the blast or just watch it light up the sky. This is AnthroIntelligence, Culture, Cognition, and Code. I'm Richard Jonathan O. Taduran. Stay curious and stay human.